Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, The Boss Maths. You can also find us on X at The Boss Maths. Don't forget, as always, to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today we will be focusing on dividing fractions. So, what we have here is 3/4 divided by a fifth. So the mathematical way of thinking about this is talking about the term reciprocal. Reciprocal means when you flip a fraction in a shortcut way of saying things. There are other methods of looking at dividing fractions, and one of them is something I'd like to introduce you to today. It's called KFC. KFC is translated here into keep, flip, change. Let's see how this works. Keep means keep the first one the same, so stays as 3/4. Flip means the second fraction, you just flip it over, so it becomes 5/1. Change means you change the divide into times. And now we have a simple multiplying two fraction question. Numerator times numerator, 3 times 5 is 15. Denominator times denominator, 4 times 1 is 4. As you know, you can't leave a fraction in these terms just here, so we need to change it back to a mixed fraction. This is an improper fraction. How many 4s go into 15? We have 3. We have 3 left over 4. Answer 3 3/4 is the answer. So this is just a shortcut method of dividing two fractions. The mathematical way is to talk about reciprocals and find the reciprocal of a fifth, which is 5/1. Then multiply the fractions and you get the answer. So this is a simple basic case. Let's look at two different cases of dividing fractions. So the next one we need to look at is say if we had 2/5 divided by 3/1. We should realize that 2/5 divided by 3/1 can be written as a fraction as 3/1. So again, if we follow the keep, flip, change technique, we have 2/5 times 1/3. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. Our answer is 2/15. Let's look at a more difficult case. 1 1/4 divided by 2 2/5. So here we have two mixed fractions. The first thing we do here is we change these to improper fractions. So to change to an improper fraction, it's the big number times by the denominator, add the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4, add 1 is 5/4. Divided by 2 times 5 is 10, add 2 is 12, so it's 12/5. Again, keep, flip, change, keep the first one the same, change the sign to times, and this becomes 5/12. 5 times 5 is 25, 4 times 12 is 48. Now we ask ourselves, can this be simplified? Is there a times table that has 25 and 48 in it, and it's the same times table? And there's not, so our answer is 25/48. Okay, you can have a go at some questions. I'll just write here, you can see the above, just in case you need help with any of your questions. Try these 3 questions and then we'll go over them. 2/7 divided by 5. 1/2 divided by 3/4. and 2 1/3 divided by 1 1/4. Okay, you have a go at these three and then we'll go over the answers. If you want to pause the video and then we'll go over the answers. Okay, let's have a look to see what you got. So the first one becomes 2 sevenths divided by 5/1. If we flip it, it becomes 2/35 is your first answer. Your second one again, flip it and times it. You should have got 4/6, which can be simplified to 2/3. The last one, if you change the fractions, you get, I'm just doing this gap here, you get 7/3 times, so I'm going to flip it while I'm doing it as well, becomes 5/4, flip it, so it's 4/5. 28/15, which if you change it to give a final answer as a mixed number, it's 1 whole ones and 13/15. This is your final answer for the last one. Hope that helped. And once again, you have now bossed the topic of dividing fractions. See you in the next one.